Hello everyone, welcome back. We are finally doing the intercooler. We finally have all of the parts and the intercooler is here. Last time it came here, it was dented like somewhere over here. And then it got sent back. Then I got sent the wrong item. I just put a picture. It was like 2 coolant surge tanks, which is like this, but it was like in this quality. So they sent me 2 of these, which I didn't order. And then they also sent me, I think it was like 5 or 6 of these cold pipes. So they sent me like $3,000 of the wrong parts. The only damage that I found was this, like it's bent a little. And then some of the welds, you can kind of see like that white line. It's kind of, well, this isn't welded on, but the weld right here, I don't know if you can see that because my shadow, but like there, broke, or like is starting to break. And on the other side is cracked. But it should be fine. I tried emailing Forge and they haven't gotten back to me. It's been like a week, so I'm just gonna say whatever because there's no sense in waiting another week for an email response. Yeah, let's get into this intercooler install.
Cross, you're crazy.
everything uninstalled. Intercooler's out, the hot pipe, and here's like a side-by-side of Forge's intercooler and the stock one. Well, I think it's best if I just do this. So it's like twice as big, or just about. Yeah, twice as wide. And then another comparison would be the cold pipes, and I guess also the hot pipes. So this is the upgraded one, this is the stock one. As you can see, their diameters are pretty different, because this can fit inside. And then the hot pipe, I believe, is also bigger. So this is the upgraded and this is factory. Again, the diameter is just bigger. And now we can transfer the parts onto the new one. And yep, that'll be that. The audio is probably bad because I don't have the mics connected, but this bracket would have blocked it like that, so that's why you have to cut it off. The hoses are all connected. I still need to cut the zip ties. Yeah, it seems like we're almost done. Intercooler and all its piping. I think this still needs to be tightened, yeah. Most of the clamps are done. but I'm gonna double check through all the clamps. So when I start this thing, I don't hear a loud bang, which is probably gonna be a boost pipe popping off. But hopefully everything's tightened. I will be getting tuned. Well, I still have to send an email about getting tuned, so I still have to get my ECU code. It's down there somewhere. But yeah, we're just gonna cut these and then put the intake back and then maybe start it up. Everything is almost put back together, just the front bumper. I am running the recirc valve again just to see the performance, and then I'm just gonna switch it back to atmosphere. Everything is tightened, I think. I hope so. And yeah, Monday, hopefully we will be tuned, or I get my file back, but I still have to pull all the information for this car and then give it to N75, which is who I'm getting tuned by. And if you don't know, they use the EK1, or you can do ECU tunes, but I just went with this because it's easiest and portable. It's just a small device like this that hooks up to your what's it called, your OBD2, and this is where the SD card goes. So you get an SD card, then you get your tune, then you put the tune on the SD card, then you put it on this, and then this goes to your car. And yeah, so I should put that back in. But yeah, here's the old intercooler, all the old stuff I'm gonna put away like the box. But yeah, I just need to put the bumper back on and then we can get a first start.